Do it later.
Alright, do you want to press the button, boys?
Have
a good day.
We need to go get.
Are they pressing the button or not? Am I telling them to press the button?
We can try.
Wait, give us a sec. I'm disabling their car so they can't chase.
Bro, it's already
You want me to
disabled.
crowbar? I can crowbar. I can crowbar.
Okay.
Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait.
They're waiting, don't worry.
I'll tell you. Listen, tell them to press it and run outside and get in the car.
Okay.
You can hear it.
Jane, you have to explain this.
You're gonna have to let me know when you've pressed it. Don't press it yet, but apparently you need to run out and get in your car after you've pressed it, alright?
Okay.
Okay, so you want them to press it and then run out and get in their car and chase us, right?
Let's see if it's silent or do you hear it.
Okay, when shall I tell them to press it?
Oh, because it's your drive, so you better be fucking
Press the button, boys.
I press it, Jane.
Okay, it's not silent. It's not silent.
How's it sound?
I bip 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 bip.
Is that how it sounds?
Yeah, it's bip 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 bip. Okay, it's not silent.
Oh god.
We're breaking off in the 71.
Yeah.
That's a 1078.
432, same traffic.
Hey Rick, we got held up at Shrugway and they made us press the button and they just took off. It's Dean and his cronies. They took off north.
Okay, so it's clear? It's okay?
Yeah, there's no down.
We made it out alive. We are looking for the mandem.
What vehicle were they in?
We were inside. We don't know what they left in.
I think it was a black SUV.
They made you push the button?
Hey, fair.
Yeah, they knew about it.
direction they took off?
Is this what we're dealing with now?
We have no idea which way they went. We were told to sit down inside and press the button. And then they ran out and left.
You got a repair kit.
Yeah. Oh, I left it in my fucking car. Oh, no, I do.
Man, I got one.
Oh, I got it.
Every silence just about sums that up.
502 is going to
MDM, I appreciate that.
employees to try to get info on the vehicle.
It's not silent. It's not silent alarm though. It's not fucking...
432.
That shit was loud as shit.
The area for a black SUV.
That shit was loud as fuck. I think it's silent. The thing is, right? The thing is, because I get my own ping. So they're gonna hear it anyway. It doesn't matter.
Do we have any info on the 13?
I actually no. You know what? I figured I had to get. I figured I had to make it silent. If I mute my dispatch, it'll be silent.
Basically, they were forced to press the panic button.
It was definitely a panic situation. They had guns out and they were telling us what to do.
Yeah, I mean, you were still held at gunpoint, so...